The aspirants will also see that you have to be calm, you have to be relaxed, you have to be, perseverance is one of the qualitative nature which everybody should carry.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
all in the complete field, even after getting this rank, when you will be moving ahead with the services, patience is the nature which we need always. And
Yes,
in
ma'am.
our journey also, as you have clearly mentioned, which is very much important also, that sometimes when we attempt the question paper, sometimes even in our class test, let's take the very easiest example, class test. मुझे तो हमेशा ही मिलता है ये कि नंबर नहीं दिया आपने, मार्क्स कम आ गए. So I said, ठीक है, what are you expecting? Because 3 digit is the minimal eligibility which we always say आना चाहिए. But you
जी
know
मैम.
how much dynamism हम अपने पेपर में देख रहे हैं. Being an engineer, it is not something that you are not aware about scientific methods or the disaster management. You are aware, but
Yes,
time
ma'am.
भी तो limited है ना. And our mind has to work in all the directions.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when it comes on writing the means, it is very much important. Sometimes we believe that the paper has went very well, and when
Yes,
we
ma'am.
receive our mark sheet, तो फिर तो बताते नहीं है. फिर जब नहीं बताते तो थोड़ी देर के बाद बताते हैं कि मैम, this has taken place. In fact, I'll come on that part later. But attempts and the number of years, and which you mentioned in the very first 5 minutes when we interacted, that during your attempts, 1 year plus 1 year is important.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
formula has to go on, because now everybody is thinking that okay, we'll just prepare and we'll give the attempt, but ultimately wo attempt to is on a loser part, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe there are chances we may clear till interview and we'll get it also, aisa nahi hai. But most important is that to understand the syllabus, then to move ahead with the whole preparation, and then the journey of the mentorship of the faculty, of the whole throughout, that takes minimum 1. So that's
Yes,
how
ma'am.
it. But one thing is very recommendable, Ujjwal, that in the very first attempt you reach till interview.
Yes, ma'am.
So that till the time you achieve the All India rank 10. In the second attempt, what you have witnessed, what went wrong over there?
Ma'am, again, as I told already, that having a calm mindset is very important in the prelims exam. So, ma'am, first of all, what happened when the results came on 16th April, when my name was not there in that list? So, first of all, I felt like that I was flying in the sky, and then my flight has crashed and I'm lying on the ground. Went to the prelims exam, so there was a sense of fear in my mind. What if again the same thing will repeat? What if even if I make this and again I will have to appear next year for prelims? So, ma'am, this was a negative mindset which I had, and ma'am, that negative result, because I will tell you, ma'am, that cutoff was 88 and my mark was around 85. So 3 marks difference was there. And ma'am, actually there were few questions which I had marked correctly on the question paper, but out of fear I didn't fill the OMR, thinking that this may give a negative result. So, ma'am, there were such 3 questions which I figured out, and ma'am, then I found that if I would have simply filled the OMR with these 3 options, I would have went for the main. So, ma'am, this is what I found, that my content was there. I had practiced a little bit less in that attempt, and I was not having a relaxed, composed mind in the examination hall.
You mentioned, in a very thoughtful process, and my students will definitely know. I always tell them that please, भगवान के लिए जिसकी आप माने, जैसे भी माने, उस वक्त तो मान लेना. That please fill the OMR, and you won't believe this happens, and you will also relate. अभी बहुत time नहीं हुआ है. In fact, you will also see the paper when prelims will come. सब देखते हैं, हम देखते हैं. So when it comes on the paper, when they are filling the OMR, कुछ last moment तक रखे रहते हैं. Last में मैम will judge and will put up. Then A का B हो गया, C का D कब हो गया. And the best part of the story is that we didn't filled it, ma'am, which you told me. Because guess कर लिया, elimination कर लिया, pairing भी clear हो गया. But if you haven't filled, तो कैसे read करेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
That OMR filling also plays an eminent role, and those 4 hours in a day. Still, I get this question. You won't believe, after this many years in this field, papers are in the same day, ma'am. So how we are going to keep our mindset? And that last minute tip they will take from you. मैं भी लूंगी, मेरे लिए भी important है वो, because that those 4 hours in a day, where you have a gap, and most important, what happens, Ujjwal, you will relate, the answers start flooding. I mean, it is my personal query to you, genuinely, मैं सबसे पूछती हूँ, that when you come out of your paper, whether it was our time, whether it is your time, and so many generations will see this, how it will change the thing. You have filled the OMR, it is submitted. It's exactly the same examination, na? When you appeared for your 10th, when you appeared for 12th, when you appeared for JEE, NEET or any state services or UPSC, हमने submission तो कर दिया, अब क्या change हो जाएगा इससे? Can anything change?
No, ma'am, nothing can change.
This ruins within those 2 hours when we have to appear for the next aspect, which is CSAT. And that requires आपके सारे point. Calmness, you need relaxedness, you need a relaxed mindset for that, because various of the time you belong to the same background and we take it on ego कि नहीं मैं तो solve करके रहूंगा question, ऐसे कैसे नहीं. So that is very important. So I just need 1 or 2 points that when you are giving prelims, whichsoever number, hopefully as soon as possible, how a student or how an aspirant should keep away themselves from negative mindset after paper 1 to paper 2. That means from prelims GS paper 1 to CSAT.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, what I did in all my 3 attempts was that I never came out and tried to check the answers for the GS paper, ma'am, because then our mind starts to make calculation and guess whether we are above 90 or whether we are above 100. So, across the 3 attempts, I never tried to make any judgment of what my answers are. And ma'am, second thing which I did was that for CSAT, I never relied on any one pillar, because in CSAT there are 3 pillars. One is maths and reasoning and basic numerals that we are having, and then we have comprehension and then logical reasoning. So what I always tried was that I had certain notes of those things which have been asked frequently and which required certain formulas to be used, as for example calendars question, whether it will be what will be the remainders and all. So I just written it down and I tried to revise it those 3 hours. And ma'am, I never tried to be, as you already mentioned, be rigid, because in 2023 maths was very tough and I always started with mathematics. But after around 40 minutes, I figured out that I had solved only 13 questions. Then I quickly switched over to ma'am comprehension. And in 2023, ma'am, comprehensions were easier as compared to what they have asked in math. So then I tried to maximize my attempts in comprehension and as many reasoning questions as I could. So ma'am, in those 3 hours, I always tried to realize that don't get stick to any one subject or one question. If you're not able to solve that question, just go to next, because at the end, we have to secure just 67 marks. So ma'am, this was the thing I kept realizing myself.
My students will relate today, and even in the morning lecture today itself, we were discussing, and as you mentioned, the pillars. So I don't know up term chalta hai ya nahi, although I am not that person who should be good for CSAT, but मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि थोड़ा बहुत तो मैं कर लेती हूँ. तो because we were from that period where statistics was there.